Hi guys, having another look at this rowing boat that I'm going to make using the body from this spider. I've taken off all the bits that we definitely don't need, like the infrared receiver and the on-off switch and the eyes and that sort of thing. I'm trying to work out what sort of height or depth we're going to have to fit this in so that the oars can actually move. Turn that around the other way, give you some idea. If I hold that on there and just touch it on there, so we can see the action. It does lift the oar out of the water and then down, so up, down, sweep, up, down, sweep, up, down, sweep. So that part of it's all right. Oh, sorry. So I intend to keep all this part of the bodywork rather than try and invent the wheel. We've got the pivots there, or gimbals, already in the plastic there, so rather than trying to reinvent them, we'll make use of them. We don't need this back end, we can chop that off, although you can't chop it right off because it's actually locating the motor and gearbox, but we can cut most of it off. But what I'm more concerned about is where we're going to fit it, because it looks to me like we're going to have to lift it up quite a way. And I can make the oars tilt down a bit if I actually drill holes in. What I'm going to do is cut these legs off so we've got stubs, and then drill holes in them and have the oars coming straight out. But the oars need to go down into the water, so the motor is going to have to be quite high up. And we're probably still going to have to cut a bit of the bodywork out. And we don't want it too low in the water, otherwise it will sink. But at the same time, if we don't have it fairly low in the water, then the oars just won't reach the water. So I think it's going to have to be right up here somewhere. So that bit there might be useful to hold it up at a good height. In fact, would it be worth putting that back in again? That bit out the way, but it might have to be right up as high as that. Let's just do that again. Yeah, I'm thinking we might need to have it right the way up as high as that, just so the oars actually go in the water. And then we'll have a problem with stability because the weight will be up too high. So then we have to put weight in it to hold it down, to stabilise it. Okay, well that'll do for view number 3, or episode number 3, just looking at it and considering the issues. Yeah, it might have to sit all the way up there. So that'll have to get out of the way. although if I'm going to cut the back of this off, I can go back quite a bit further. I'm hoping that when we do put oars in the water, it's not going to put too much strain on the gearbox. And it's designed to run on 4 AA batteries, so that's 6 volts, isn't it? So I expect we can probably run a 2S LiPo through there. Probably. Okay, that'll do for now. I just had another idea. How about if I put the legs back on again, and instead of cutting them off, just put paddles on the end. Now you need a bit of imagination to think about this with the legs all going at the same time, because I haven't altered the gearing yet. But if I mounted this up quite high, like it is, there, and had downward facing paddles, yeah, that's a different idea. Except we've got a broken leg, haven't we? Alright, well, this is still part 3, thinking about it. And I can see a possibility of actually running it just like this, with the spider sitting on top of the boat, paddling itself forwards. In fact, that might look even more fun. Alright, that'll do for now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.